Alright, now it's time to call Mom. Calling Mom and Dad.
Hello?
Mom?
Yeah.
You want to come out and see your new dog?
What?
We're here.
Are you with us?
Yep, come and see your new puppy.
Oh, okay.
Come out. Yes, Mama's coming. Mama's coming to see you. Look over here. Look over here. Say hello.
Where's Linda?
I was surprising you.
Hi, dear. What you doing? Are you okay? Goodness, you're tinier than I thought. Yeah, come here. Come on. What you doing, huh? What you doing, huh?
Say hello.
You okay? Huh? You need to wet or something?
All right, let's see what's going on out here. Yeah, go.
Okay, oh,
Okay.
Lisa, I'm so glad you came. Where's Linda?
She was going to the doctor. Come on.
Here.
Yeah.
You gonna pick her up?
No, she went. And so I just came over here to give you Peppy. I don't have a lot of time.
She went.
Yeah.
Oh, she
Here,
didn't
go,
bring
Mom.
Peppy
Let me,
then.
yeah, let me
I mean,
take.
she's not.
Let's let him go.
I know
to
it.
the.
I know.
Let's go. Just go this way.
Okay, Ladybug, we got a little pooch.
Say hello.
Come on, let's hurry. Hurry, hurry. I think we need to go. I'm just talking to Betty.
Come on.
She said,
Come
don't
on.
tell me you got another
Come on.
dog.
Come on. Say hello.
Okay. Hurry. Can you hurry? You're going to get all wet. You're getting all wet. I like that towels in there. Yeah, I like that towels. Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Don't let her get in the water, Nancy.
I'm not. Come on.
I don't want to see you. Hurry. He goes. Okay.
Sometimes they have to. Sometimes he likes to go 2 or 3 times.
Oh yeah, that's what I wanted.
Come on.
Stop the little baby.
Come on. Look over here.
Oh, there he goes.
Okay. Come on. Come on. Here you go, Mommy. Let's go on in.
I'll get a towel.
Come on.
Come on. What you doing, huh? Okay. Wet. You know you're wet. Huh? Get a towel here. Ladybug, look the little pooch. See the little pooch? See the little pooch?
Hey, Lady Boo.